Guys, welcome to Beverage Hunters. This year we are at the 2025 Sutherlin Throwdown in Sutherlin. We've got our own booth set up. Hope you made it by to stop by. This year we're going to talk to some of the breweries that came out and some of the barbecue spots. So stay tuned, let's go talk to some. Subscribe, like, and if you haven't this year, come out next year to the Sutherlin Throwdown. Let's go.
Do it. Okay, there we go.
We got it?
You didn't record any of my stuff.
Yes, I should have.
Okay.
So anyhow, yes, this is my first time trying the alligator. We're doing a little bit of this green sauce. You know, I kind of see where Lando's coming from. A little bit of that texture of like pork.
But it's kind of got an off, not a pork taste to it. It's got a texture, but not a pork taste.
The texture's there, but the taste, I can't figure it out, really.
It's literally like alligator.
Yeah, I guess that's the best you can say is really, alligator is different. Because it's not as strong flavor-wise as pork.
Yeah.
It's really light on the flavor. Interesting. All I can say is now I've tried alligator.
Exactly. like kind of like I was saying. Like,
hey, I can see Tim.
It doesn't.
Hi, Tim.
Hi, Dave. How's it going? You see Den Den? Hi, Den Den. You see Den Den? I see like his eyes. There he goes. Beep.
Yeah, the texture's there.
It's got a texture of like pork or chicken, but like the flavor's just
different.
It's different. Like it's not 100% either. Like it's just a different flavor altogether.
I would say like pork. I would say like pork light.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's totally.
Because it's a very light flavor to it. Yeah.
It's weird. Like
it's all right.
It's not bad, but like, would I try it every day?
No.
No, I'd rather go with like chicken or pork.
I'm sure it's probably a lot better for you than pork is.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
But I mean, it's not bad, but it's not like, oh my God, that's the best thing I've ever had.
No, I'm not gonna say that. I'm not gonna say that.
It's different.
It's different. Yeah.
I'm gonna go with different.
It's very light. It's very light.
Who's going first? Oh, my eyes.
I know, you're right in the smoke, buddy. What's your rating on? Hey, Den Den, come here. Let's go over here.
Go over here. The other way.
All right, there you go, Den Den. All right, what's your rating on the alligator? Are you all right? Can you see?
Yes.
What's your rating?
A 6.9.
6.9?
Okay. Nice.
All right, nice.
That's the first time I've ever had alligator. You know, I guess it's a very clean, almost, like I said, yeah, pork is almost there. The texture is there, but it's very clean and very light. Maybe I need it again, maybe I don't know. It's definitely a first. As a rating, damn. 7. We'll just go 7. That's a tough one. What you got, Tim? What you got, Tim?
I'm gonna give it a 7 as well.
Okay.
Because it's not like the best thing I ever had, but it's not the worst thing I ever had. But it wasn't terrible.
You get the gator?
Oh yeah. It was not terrible. It was pretty good, especially with the green sauce.
Yes.
So I can't say it was bad, but since I've never had it before, it was definitely different. It was definitely different.
So that means everybody's ratings is close to exactly the same.
I know, except you had a rating that was nice.
That's one way for a conversation.
You're too young to get that one, but it was nice.
Right. Let's see what this guy over here thinks about gator. Let's go over here. Let's see what this guy thinks about gator.
All right.
What's your opinion for Beverage Hunters YouTube channel? What do you think about the alligator?
I mean, I like it. I mean, it's not something I eat all the time.
Yeah.
It's a light, lean meat.
Exactly what I was saying.
It's a light, lean meat. There's nothing really mind-blowing about it.
Yeah.
It's just the experience that's mind-blowing.
Yeah. So what we were getting is kind of a pork vibe out of it, but light. light on the flavor. It just definitely sets lighter than pork.
For me, it's just the experience.
Yeah.
That you're able to say, I ate alligator.
Yeah, because I saw these two sitting over here earlier. I'm like, I've never tried that before in my life. I was like, I kind of want to try that. And it was like, it wasn't too overpowering, wasn't too underpowering. It was kind of like right there, especially with the sauce and everything. But it was like you said, it was an experience. Like, I ate alligator. It was pretty good.
Yeah.
It wasn't terrible, wasn't bad, wasn't like the best thing I ever had, but it was pretty good.
Yeah, it's the experience.
Definitely the experience, and I can now say I've had alligator.
Yeah.
So come to the Sutherlin Throwdown. Hopefully next year these guys will be here.
Yeah. Try
Check 'em out.
Super
Definitely
Skewer.
try that.
They got pig and alligator.
We
Yeah.
cook everything from mountain lions to bears.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh wow, you gotta do everything. I saw the alligators. I'm like, that is unique. I've never seen that before.
We've been doing that past couple of years since the Throwdown started having it.
Yeah, we've been here since they started.
Yeah, since they started.
Yeah.
Yes, this is the first time I've tried it, been able to try it, because every time it's always sold out.
Yeah.
So, so if you want to try the alligator, you got to get here fast. Keep an eye on how it's cooking and everything, and once they start pulling that, you get in line.
Yeah. If you don't, it's gonna be gone.
It's gonna be gone.
And it's gonna be gone.
There's folks that waited 2 years.
Oh yeah.
Yep. We had a guy standing there in line 2 hours.
Wow.
Twice he came every year. Missed it.
Wow.
Oh
So
wow.
he made sure he like,
Made sure he got it this year.
So we got pretty lucky being able to try it this year.
Nice. All right. Well.
So with that being said, I'm Dave from Beverage Hunters.
Victor Perez.
It's a pleasure.
I'm Tim, man. Nice to meet you.
And hopefully we will see you next year.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
Awesome.
I'll be here next year.
All right, man. We'll see you next year.
Till next time.
Who knew I would make it this far? They hated, they never believe me. Yeah, I would never drop the ball. I know I make it look easy. Yeah, Mayweather with the defense. I don't care what a critic got to say. I got them picking up the pieces. That to me, you really playing with your life. I'm about to come and run it all back. I'm the new era, about to snap back. You ain't fitting for it, cause you all cap like.